Welcome to the Pro Gadgets. I will tell you about 5 drones in turn. Let's start the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and the video. Number 1. Video mini drone with camera for kids, adults. Cool toys, gifts for boys, girls, teenagers. FPV Skyquad drone, small hobby RC quadcopter with headless mode. 360-degree flip and propeller, full protect for beginners, 1080p HD camera and amp. FPV Wi-Fi real-time transmission M1C equipped with 90-degree manual adjustable 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. The FPV function allows pilot to see real-time images through the app and share it on social media with ease. Easy take photo/video with one button. Safe and durable toy drone, all-round sturdy propeller guard ensures a secure flight, which protects your kids to avoid injury from spinning propellers, as well as protect the propellers and motors from being collided. Equipped with 2 modular batteries, are much easier to change and far safer to charge. Safe and durable camera drone. Beginner drone, just press the 1-key takeoff button to start your flight. M1C drone is equipped with the altitude hold function. When you remove your hand from the joystick, the drone can still keep hovering in the air. Speed modes help the beginners to find her way, high, medium, low. Gesture selfie, post a V sign or palm in front of the camera. The drone can automatically take photos or video. It also supports to take photo/video by pressing 1 key. Good for selfie. More fun features. M1C features with stunts like 3D flips, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gravity control. You can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal of on smartphone without a remote controller. Number 2. Video TOMZON A24 mini drone for kids with battle mode. Kids drone with throw to go, high speeds rotation, self spin and amp. 3D flip, RC quadcopter with altitude hold, headless mode, for batteries, red and amp. Blue 2-pack, easy for all. 1-key sync and 1-key takeoff/land. Throw to fly. Of course. Altitude hold, keep toy drone hover in air calmly without drifting. Headless mode, specially designed for newbie. Best entry-level toy drone for kids ever. All-age beginner can start to fly within 5 minutes. Simply designed suit for people who first try to play drone. Super battle mode for 2-player. TOMZON Kids mini drone can combat with each other now. Safe infrared send from drone head with simulated shooting sound. The attacked A24 drone will shake and finally forced to land slowly. It's time to start a small drone contest. Multi-button remote. A24 indoor drone for kids has multi-button remote control and auto-connect function. Just turn on their power, then everything is good to go. From calibration to IR combat or flip, each functions have one specific key and won't mix up. Sturdy and safe. 1-key emergency stop, enable to handle any situation. Sturdy blade cover, protect our kids and drone from any harm. For batteries, provide 32 minutes long flight time. Modular battery is easy to insert and remove. Great indoor RC drone for boys and girls. Even more fun, TOMZON A24 mini drone can also do 3D flips, circle fly around people, high speed self-rotation, change 3 fly speeds. All the fun tricks you can find in the market and beyond imagination. Joy for beginner and skilled player. Best gift ever, whether kids or adults, men or women, children or the elderly. A little air battle with family and friends and great fun time with people we love is always welcome. Whether it's for a family gathering or an afternoon get-together, A24 battle drone will enrich your time. TOMZON drone services, dedicated to kids drones. Each drone has 1-year warranty. 7/24 online help with customized usage tips, simply and free of worries. All the accessories for each drone. We are always behind the scenes to give support. Upgraded 3 batteries, 24 minutes fly time. Modular battery is easier to insert and remove, last longer in flight time and battery life. No more tiny battery wires to waste your time. Great indoor remote control drone for kids 8 to 12, boys and girls. Number 3 Video Mini Drones. Mini drones for kids. RC drone with turn signal light. Small RC quadcopter for beginners. 3D flips, headless mode, and multiple light modes. Interesting LED light function. The H33 Kids drone frame is covered with bright LED lights and has a similar function to the turn signals of a car, providing you with a powerful illuminating effect and a vivid flight experience. It also has multiple different display modes for lighting. User-friendly mini drone. This stunt drone is equipped with smart features like 1. You can simply take off/land/return the drone with one button. 2. You have no worry about identifying directions under headless mode. 3. The altitude holds feature allows your drone to hover automatically in the air. Even if you do not do anything with the controller, all these features make the drone extremely beginner-friendly. Secure and durable. This mini drone for kids is designed with kid-friendly propeller guards for increased safety and durability. High-quality ABS material to withstand countless crashes or drops. Very durable and reliable drone for kids and beginners. Hobby RC quadcopter with blue and green kids gifts toys for boys and girls. Drawn drone for kids 8 to 12. Flying toys drone Christmas toys gifts RC small mini drone quadcopter birthday festival adult Father's Day mother Halloween Valentine's gift dogs cats toys product link in description. Number 4 Video Holy Stone mini drone for kids and beginners. Indoor-outdoor quadcopter plane for boys girls with auto hover. 3D flips, 3 batteries, headless mode, great gift toy for boys and girls, green. Fun tricks, this mini and amp, portable buddy can do toss to launch, 3D flips, auto rotation and circle fly, boys and amp, girls love these functions. Speed adjustable, suitable for indoor or outdoor flight. Small body, big fun. Auto hovering, altitude hold enables the quadcopter to hover at current height. Start or land with one key, which makes this pocket toy easier to play. Super stability under your control. 3 batteries extend flight time. Flight time is up to 21 minutes. Never be disappointed by a dead battery or waiting for charging. And the low battery power alarm spares any concerns of any loss or damage due to low power. Headless mode. Have fun with the nano drone without worrying about what direction it is facing, especially when it is out of your sight. Low battery alarm, no worry losing it. The full protection guard protects toddlers hurting. Fairly safe to play it with your family or friends. Great gifts for children, teens, plane fans. If you like the video, please like it and next video. This is the final video. Number 5 Video Holy Stone Mini Drone for Kids, HS210F2 in 1 small indoor RC quadcopter helicopter plane with modular battery, land and fly mode, auto hovering, 3D flip, headless mode, toy gift for boys and girls. A flying Formula 1, break the boundary of land and sky, and let your imagination soar. This 2-in-1 mini drone makes the prediction of Back to the Future come true. One machine, double entertainment. Throw to go and 3D flips. Flying is fun and thrilling when you don't need to focus on heavy maneuvering. With the throw to go function, you can simply toss this kid's drone into the air, and it hovers in place. Unlock amazing aerial stunts like 360-degree flips with a simple button push. This indoor drone can bring you and your kids great happiness. Cruise control and drifting. Uncover endless fun in land mode, drifting, pirouetting. This is fast and furious mixed with ease and elegance. Wanna circle drift like a pro? Simply press down the joystick. Or activate the cruise control mode. This RC drone for kids now glides at a fixed speed while you enjoy the thrill of navigating and driving. Modular battery and full propeller guards. Every Holy Stone drone is designed with your family's safety in heart. HS210F uses the upgraded, overcharge protected modular battery, which is safer and easier to install and charge. The propeller guards of this kid's drone also provide an extra layer of safety, protecting both the drone and its surroundings during flight. Take gifting to new heights, small in size, big in fun. This racing drone is bound to mesmerize everyone. When the lights start flashing, your racing now seems more dashing. A perfect drone for kids 8 to 12. A pilot is born every minute. Say goodbye to complicated controls and hello to the best drone for kids. Takeoff and landing can be done with just a button push. With the altitude hold function, this indoor drone maintains its height in the air, even when you let go of the joystick. The headless mode simplifies drone flying for beginners, as it eliminates the need to adjust the drone's orientation during flight. Note: when using multiple drones at the same time, please be sure to power on and pair each drone and remote control separately to avoid frequency confusion caused by powering on multiple units simultaneously. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and click on the product description and buy the product and enjoy the drone. Now waiting for the next video. Thanks for watching the video.